What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Naja back on the check-in. I am in the process of trying to get this goddamn computer chair put together. And I feel like I shouldn't be doing this. Like, that's how I feel, for real. Oh, no, like, could you please do me a favor and mute this TV? I forgot that I was even watching this. Like, I'm not supposed to be recording with all this audio in my background. You got your pumpkin? Yeah, you got your pumpkin?
Mommy. Pasta. Mommy.
I know you didn't just throw no pumpkin at me, baby.
See?
What happened to the love? You supposed to give mommy hugs and kisses. You don't be throwing stuff at me. Don't
There.
take that pumpkin. You guys, please. Please. I'm going to freak out. I love you too. I gave you kisses too. Alright, now, I have no idea. Somebody needs to come help me. Somebody for real. Come help me.
Hmm? Mommy, I'll help you.
Would you? Alright, so what am I supposed to do next?
I don't know.